Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on finding the noun in a sentence. Now, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, so let's look at this together. Here we have nouns for people and places. So on the sheet at the top, I'm in the top box here, okay? I am going to work through up here first. I want you to look at this with me. It says a boy rides a bike to his house. Now, look, the words boy, bike, and house are all nouns. The noun boy is a person. The noun house is a place, okay? The bike is a thing. So those are all three nouns. Boy is a person, bike is a thing, and house is a place. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's look down below. Here on 1 through 4, it says circle each noun that names a person. I want you to think through these as I work through these. So you're going to think in your mind as I am working through these. Each noun we're going to circle in 1 through 4 that names a person. So as I read the sentence, think about, who would the person in the sentence be? They did number 1 for us. My grandma is here. So grandma is a person, so it's circled. Number 2, Dad walks home. What is the noun in that sentence? Dad, good job. So here, because the directions tell us to circle the noun that names a person, we're going to circle Dad. Are there any other nouns in that sentence? Home, you got it. Now, home is not a person, so we're not going to circle it, but we do know that home would be a person. A noun, I'm sorry. All right, number 3. My friend comes over. What's the noun in that sentence that names a person? Friend, good job, so I would circle that. My aunt calls. Number 4, my aunt calls. Who's the person in that sentence? Aunt, good job, guys, you're doing great. Okay, now let's look down at 5 through 9. Underline each noun that names a place. So here we're not going to underline or circle a person. We're not looking for things. Here it only tells us to look for a place. Grandma cooks in the kitchen. Here it says to underline, so we're going to underline kitchen. Now, we do know that grandma is a person, so that would be a noun, but we're not going to circle it in the sentence because the directions tell us to only underline the noun that names a place. Number 6, I play in my room. What's the noun that names a place? Good job, room, so we're going to underline that. Number 7, Mom works in her office. What is the noun in number 7 that names a place? Office. Good job. Now, Mom is a person. That would be a noun, but in this sentence, it tells us to only underline the name of a place. Number 8, think through this. Think what would be the noun that names a place? Grandpa works in the garden. What's the place that names a noun in that? Garden, good job. Grandpa, we know is a noun, but it's a person, so we are not going to circle that. Number 9, Dad shops at the store. What's the noun here that names a place? Store, good job. So my pen is not letting me write on here, but I'm going to just do that. Underline store because it's a place. Now we know that Dad is a noun, but it's a person, so we are not going to do anything with that in that sentence, okay? So today you are looking for nouns that name a person, place, or a thing. So look what I want you to get out of my front chair. I want you to get this sheet out of my front chair. Okay, so you're going to get this sheet, and with this sheet, the directions say, read, find, color. It tells you to read the words, find the nouns, and color any nouns that you find. Now remember, it needs to be a person. Oops, sorry. I'm not sure how to get that off the top, guys, so we're going to continue. It either needs to be a person, a place, or thing, okay? And then we are going to color these words. Now, use a light color crayon and either color around the word, the box and around it. You may color over the word as long as I can still see the word, okay? So I'm going to go through and read these words for you so you'll know what they are. And I'm going to go across. Library, giggle, grass, mayor. A mayor is a person who runs a city. So that would be a mayor. A mayor is in charge of a city, like the president is in charge of our country. Rowdy. Rowdy means, boys and girls, please calm down. You are getting a little bit too rowdy. Tray. You know what a tray is, like you get in the cafeteria. A toddler. Toddler's like a baby, maybe that's starting to walk. And snooze. The third line, wolf, waiter. A waiter would be someone who waits on you at a restaurant. Quick, and office. The next line, itchy, football field, zip, and a soldier. Last line, bank, uncle, pocket, wish. So, as you get your paper, if you need to listen back to these, you can replay this so that you can hear those words again. Now, before you color every one, what I would do if I were you, I wouldn't color these, because if you color them and they're wrong, then you've messed up and you can't change that. Maybe put a check in the box or something with a pencil. Let me check it. Then after I check it, then you can go back and color it, okay? So every time, I'm going to do the first one, and here's how I would do it. I would say library. Is library a person? No. Is library a place? Yes. Is library a thing? No. Could be a thing, because you could go to the library. That could be a place or a thing, the building itself. Okay? So, would you color that one in? Absolutely. So for each one, ask yourself, is it a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? If it is none of those, then it is not a noun, okay? So you may want to put a dot or a check or something in it with a pencil, and then let me check it, okay? If you have any questions, raise your hand. I will come to you. You do not have to come to me, and I know you're going to do amazing and rock this. Good job.